Hello everyone, welcome back to LT Education. So today we are covering how to go for a certification. So there is a one website named training.sap.com. When you click on this URL, you will get this SAP training screen. So you can go and click on SAP certification and list of valid certification. So once you go to the list of SAP certification, you will find n number of SAP certifications. So you have to click on Control F and find which certification you want to do. Like for SAP HCM, I have typed SAP HCM in this search box, and here I can see two search results. One is on SAP HCM Payroll with ERP 6.0. Other one is SAP HCM with ERP 6.0 EHP 7. Okay, so I will click on one of these certificate view details. So you will get the SAP certification scheme. So in this there is a two option CER 006 for SAP certification exam. In this, if you go for this option, the amount will be 41,606, and you will get a chance to attempt for the examination six times. Okay, so you have six attempts. But in this second option CR01, you have to pay only 16,646 rupees. But you will be getting only one attempt. If you fail in that attempt, you will lost all your money and you will not be getting any certification. Okay, the topic areas would be these. So you can pause my screen and you can see what are the topics will be covered for this certification. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.